Hey Grok, I need an easy makeup that I can do on myself in 5 minutes. Set out a makeup plan for me. So the answer, here's a super simple 5-minute easy makeup look that's tailored for someone in their 50s. The first step is going to be prep. Use a moisturizer with an SPF. Start with the moisturized skin. Use your daily moisturizer with SPF if possible. This is key for mature skin. Hydration prevents makeup from looking cakey. Okay, 30 seconds. Step 2 is the base, a tinted moisturizer or a sheer foundation. So I'm going to go with the sheer foundation. This is from Chanel, and it says specifically, apply a lightweight moisturizer, BB cream, or sheer cream foundation with fingers or a damp sponge. Dot it on the cheeks, forehead, nose, and blend outwards. Forehead, cheeks, nose. That's it. Okay, so blend it outwards. Skip full coverage, aim for tone and glow, dewy. Okay, so I still have a lot of product on my finger. Okay, well, let's just do what it says. I'm wasting foundation. Okay, with the sponge, let's wet this. Dot it on cheeks, forehead, nose, chin, and blend outward. Skip full coverage, aim for tone and dewy glow. Okay, so blending out, I'm not loving this because I feel like it's just taken off all of my foundation. So I basically, yes, I'm not loving this, but let's keep going. Step 3, concealer 45 seconds. Using a creamy concealer, 1 shade lighter than your skin, only where needed under eyes for brightness, any redness or spots. Pat it in gently with your ring finger. Don't rub. This brightens without emphasizing lines. I'm going to go a shade lighter because it's saying to go a shade lighter than my skin. So let's mix this up. It's been a while. And it says to apply under the eyes and areas of red and wherever there's spots. So I have like a couple of spots here and a couple of spots here, right here. Let's blend in with fingers. It specifically says your ring finger, so that's what we're doing here. And it's, yeah, lots of blending for 45 seconds. Okay. That's a lot of blending with my finger. Number 4 is brows, and it's for 30 seconds. Quickly fill in sparse areas with a brow pencil or a powder. Soft, feathery strokes. Brush through with a spoolie for a natural look. Defined brows frame the face and make you look more awake. I'm just going to grab a powder because it's what I thought I'd do today. And we're going to just grab a little bit of color here and fill in the sparse. So right here, I've got a little bit of sparse here. Just filling in lightly. And wherever there's sparse. Right here. Lots of sparse here. A little bit more. Fully, just to brush it through. 5 eyes, 1 minute. So this one says swipe a neutral cream or powder shadow, taupe, soft brown, or champagne across the lids for subtle definition. This is a long comb, and we'll just do a nice little big brush. This is an Estee Lauder brush. It's one of my old school favorites from like years and years and years ago. This brush is probably like 25 years old. Curl lashes if you have time. Apply 1 to 2 coats of volumizing mascara. And we'll do a little bit of mascara that's volumizing here. 6, cheeks and lips, 1 minute. Dab a cream blush, peach, rose, berry tones on the apples of your cheeks and blend upward for a healthy flush. Cream formulas look most natural on mature skin. So let's do a little bit of the CL. We'll do a little bit here and here. Apples of the cheek and blend it up for a nice flush tone. Finish layering with a hydrating lip balm, tinted balm, or sheer lipstick gloss in a similar tone to your blush for cohesion. It's the second time I've heard that word. So, okay, I'm going to use this lipstick by Hermes. Okay. Total time is 5 minutes once you're familiar with it. Pro tips for 50 plus skin. Stick to dewy, luminous finishes. Avoid matte powders. They can accentuate dryness. Use fingers for application. Warmer skin melts products in smoothly. Then Grok says, this routine gives the I woke up like this glow. So there's a few more makeup tips in this that it gives. And then the statement is, I woke up like this kind of vibe. And let's take a look. Now let's really dig deep into what this makeup look looks like for me. What do you think? We've got Grok, which is artificial intelligence makeup on me in 5 minutes. What do you think about this look? So the conclusion for this final makeup from Grok, I'm halfway there with it. I'm not sold on it. What I would do, because I'm a makeup artist, I know how to do 5-minute makeup. I've taught women how to do 5-minute makeup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just wipe this down, and I'm going to start with my foundation. Let's plot this down, and I'm just going to do a little bit of moisturizer here, just to get a little bit of prep back in here. Foundation application should be, whether it's a tint, whether it's a BB cream, or whether it's a sheer foundation, full coverage foundation, I like to grab the color and I like to actually blend it onto the skin. So then you're getting a nice even coat everywhere and it looks more polished. We use a foundation brush, and this is just to buff out the foundation. That's it. So that's what I would do differently with the foundation. Next, what I would do is I would place the cream blush first before concealer. And this is going to just get right here, blend up and out. And same way, right? Next, what I would do is I would conceal in here, okay? And I would conceal a little here, and then use the brush to blend this out. This gives a more polished look to the face, and it looks like I've just created this really nice, beautiful look with the cream concealer. Another thing that I would do to polish up this look is I would use a blush. And this blush is just a nice pink soft blush. And just go through and set the cream blush. And you can pull this up here if you want. I would also add a little bit of the blush in the crease of the eye. The lashes look good. The fact that I was able to curl my lashes was a bonus for me, and it was optional. One thing that I did like about the artificial intelligence makeup plan for me by Grok was AI really told me a lot of makeup tips and how to do it specific. Of course, a makeup artist, a beauty expert will give you more detailed one-on-one, how to do your makeup, like tips for you specifically with your features. But this really is the way I would finish off the makeup look for myself. I do like this. It's still simple and easy, but I feel like it's just looks a little messy. So overall, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. If you have time, check out the other video. I did the same question with ChatGPT on how to do my makeup for a 51-year-old in 5 minutes. And that video was a bit different. So go take a look at that video. Next video, I will try a different AI makeup plan, and let's see what that has in store for me. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Christine. I will see you guys in the next video.